Hi guys, back again. This is part 2. There will be a part 3 at the end of November. I won't be talking much in this video, just unboxing this box and also the new big boy rockets over there. Gonna unbox this one and this one just to make the video a bit more better, not like a 2-minute video. So yeah, I got this one for £80 and I got those rockets for £20. Okay, let's get going. I will say, if you can get this, guys, I would definitely recommend getting this box. Some shops are selling them for $119.99 and $120. Galactic Fireworks are selling them. But if you can get a good price, then get them. Get them. Right, there's that one. That's all. I'm gonna do this other box for you old pyro heads, because a lot of people have asked me about this one. Now these are £50 boxes. I know you can get all your spooks and diamond and bad boys, but technically, no. You're basically getting party poppers, basically. Sorry. Absolutely crap. Crap. Right. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Tube. Quite big Catherine wheels, these. Net weight. Two of those. Get rid of you. 2 Roman candles. Both the same, so we'll just do one. Two of those. Did you see 2 of those? One of them. These smaller fountains, you know, 15 grand, these tiny ones. And like I said, these are really, really, really small. You know, size at £7 about 3 inch, 4 inch. Really small, but yet again, another one. Oh, we go even smaller now. 1 inch. 8 grams. Not bad little box. I would recommend getting this box. If you have money to burn, then yeah, get it. My budget is every year £1,200. The next video will be on Halloween. I have ordered from Wayne in the fireworks shop in Preston. They're the same. 4 Hercules limited edition for my finale. Also with my finale, 2 cases of Warhawks all at once. So that should be good. Go to cakes now. Basically Oriental stars. Jesus, don't look after these fireworks, I tell you. Just chuck them in the box. You have to find out what Oriental stars is. Net weight. This is 88.3. Never had an Oriental stars though. But range selling them for £3. Not bad. Nine shot, 20 mil. £57 grams. Eruption. because it's quite heavy. Heavy cake. Very light fountain this, overboxed again. 28 grams. Wow. Wow. One tube. But I went for more cakes. I wanted this for the cakes. The cakes, if you watch the video, the cakes are really good in here. Also a time killer. Ooh, see that? Yep. And another fountain with one tube in. Technically, basically the size of a 16 shot. What a waste. What a waste. But anyway, that is that. How many pieces come in it? 27 pieces. What weight is in the whole box, actually? That's what I want to see, to show you guys. Ah, here we go. 27 meter. 639 in one box. Not bad. Okie dokie. Right guys, that's all then. Now I will show you the mother of all rockets. As you can see, I've done all these in my first dash. That's another one. Well, your Warhawks, 24 packs of Warhawks. Other cakes in here, but these I'm really impressed with. Now I had Supernovas last year, and they were amazing. Also I had, no, I didn't have the brocade war cake, but I saw these, and what made me pick them up is Supernovas. I think were 165 grams per rocket. Oh, these. Oh, not fist size. But what shocked me about these is brocade war. These have got 195 grams in them, which, wow. I don't know whether I've ever seen a rocket with that much powder weight in it, and especially for £20, it must be a new rocket with the brocade. There's a brocade crown, and this is the original. Now, if you can get these are really, really good. This rocket is like your king, but better than a king, twice as better than a king. Now, this one would go with your brocade war cake or the new fan cake, but this one, when it bursts into a brocade, it actually does salute. So I would recommend getting it. Best rockets. Well, not let them off, but I've had the videos a bit. I will be getting a demo of them on Bonfire Night, doing a display at my local pub. But yeah, waiting on Hercules Limited box. And yes guys, I will be back on Halloween for an update.